Ambani. I've done commercial arts from Sapphire's company Oblique, working there as creative head. My work experience, FCB Olka, Grey Worldwide, Gitanjali Gems, have more than 15 years of work experience. Some of the major brands that I've worked on, luxury brands, Zodiac, Damas, in real estate, Penta, Acme, and the others. FMCG, major brands, Parle Agro, Pantene, Godrej, and pharma companies like Novartis, Ranbaxy. Some of the awards and achievements, won a lot of national and international awards. There are some books lying here where they've been printed. You can have a look at it later. And this is one of the pictures where we won some awards. Only good design has the power to seduce and delight. This actually means that you can indulge a customer in something that he doesn't really want or need. For example, Apple is one of the biggest examples where the design, where the whole strategy is designed, right from the branding to the entire product execution. It's all based on design. Today we all want to possess an Apple product, right? Okay. Therefore, good design is good business because you're actually, selling more than the customer wants. So what we do, we are basically into things like logo design, where we do branding. So we've done branding across categories like real estate, restaurants and hoteliers, polytechnics. These are visiting cards, again across categories. Stationery design. Again, the picture is not too clear, but that's letterhead, envelope, visiting card. This is also done for another company which is into digital marketing. So we even did the interiors of the office. So we took the branding across things. This is packaging design for Godrej, brochure leaflet for Grandeur. Sorry. This is calendar design for a pharmaceutical company. These are the pages inside. This is a diary design for the same. Advertising design again for Grandeur. For Fruity, we did the launch ad, and their sales have gone up by 60-70%. This is another campaign. So this was done in public interest. Invitation card design. There's a case study basically on Glitterati where we have actually designed right from the branding, giving a name to the company and doing the entire logo and the 360-degree. So here, actually it's diamond jewelry. So we've used, a star like the diamond, and it was designed by film stars. Therefore, it was called Glitterati, and the tagline said the sign of a star. We did, things across. There were a lot of collaterals done. As you can see, some of them have been displayed here. So posters, there's a dangler, there's BTL, there are leaflets which you can see which have been put up here. There are CD cover designs, and this is a shopping bag design. This is other magazine advertising where you see that the branding of the star has been taken across all communication. Even in the shopping bag, it has been taken across. These are the other follow-up ads where again the star has been used. Then there was a fashion show also done for the launch of the product. So we had all these film stars like Selena Jaitley and Mahima Chaudhary had launched. So this was the entry, and this was the display which was done at the launch. So there are even the star has been used across the communication here. This was the entry point, that's me. And that's Sunil Shetty, Mahima Chaudhary there for the launch of the brand. So who are we? We are basically a 360-degree brand design solutions company. As you saw, we've done right from the logo design, giving a name to the entire advertising. That's what 360 is all about, and the design communication. So we work with super specialized people like copywriters, art directors, primary and secondary researchers, film directors, photographers, and printers. That really helps us give people quality work. Oblique believes good design is Gofi and Gobi. I'm sure everybody knows what Gofi is. So basically it's God of first impression and God of best impression. This is actually, your customer has exactly 30 seconds to decide when he looks at your product whether he likes it or he dislikes it. So it's very important that the packaging or the product is very attractive. And for good design is effective communication. So your brand strategy has to be very clear. So that can come across through a good design. If it's well designed, the strategy comes across in a basic form of communication. Good design is even to create a brand experience. Today, looking at piece of branding or any kind of piece of material, you can actually make a person feel good, fantasize about your product, or dream about it. So that's the experience you can provide with that. So how do we achieve this? Through category space, research on category space, target audience, and competition. So category space, you need to know exactly where your product is, where it's located, and the target audience, who your target audience is, what age group you're talking to, and what their likes and dislikes are, because based on that, that's your communication will be talking about. You have to appeal to them. Competition, you definitely want to be better than your competition, so therefore you need to research about them. We apply 3 points in all our communication design. Simple, simple, and simple. Simple communication is important so that the point is gotten across very clearly to the end customer, to your target audience. And if it's simple, it's definitely going to be memorable. As you all saw the logos which I presented, it is very memorable to that. And simple, therefore distinctive, you'll stand out in the crowd. Good design can help make a business reach its full potential. It's as simple as that. So my views, if anybody wants to get connected to any of these companies, please do let me know, we'll be glad to do. Okay, LCD1, I would like to get connected to marketing head of real estate and builders, because they always require project logos, brochures, panels, and advertising design all the time. So these are some of the companies, if anybody has a connect. LCD2, marketing head of consumer products and services. So maybe hoteliers and restaurant owners, they always need logos, menu card, and interior posters. Pharma companies normally need packaging and internal motivational tools. So these are the companies I would like to get in. Marketing head of luxury brands and FMCG, they always require logo, brochure, shopping bag design, advertising, and packaging design. So these are some of the brands, and that's about it. And any questions? And special thanks to Manish Konkar and Sushil Bail for all the help.
One question. Are you related to the Ambanis?
We'll surely take that question later.
Okay, I have a question, right?
Yes.
How do you work on the commercials for your particular, let's say, startups?
Sure. So it's basically based on an entire thing, right? So what is your requirement? Based on that, we can work out either on a single project or an entire, we can make a package. Yeah, we can make an entire.
Yeah, I believe this question will take a long time for her to answer, depending on what her requirement is. So to take that offline. Thank you, David.
I would just like to end on one note that good design is good business and therefore great investment, guys. So just invest.